How to use Headspace for beginners. To use Headspace for beginners, first of all, you have to simply download the application from your Google Play Store or App Store, depending on your device. Tap on that search bar, then search for Headspace. Once you find the application, download it. Go ahead and launch it. Once you open it, you will be sent to this login page. If you have an account, simply sign in, or if you don't have one, sign up for one. You can also use Google account, Apple account, or your Facebook account to directly link your profile. Once you do this, you can now complete the core fundamental course by tapping the Meditate tab, search for the Basics 1 option, or simply select it. From there, you can complete the 10 free consecutive levels that teach you the mechanics of meditation. You can also keep your session short by setting the durations. You can utilize the Headspace animation library, and you can also explore the nighttime sleep cast. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.